Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset Ford Focus radio. Start by turning the ignition to accessory and power the radio off for 10 seconds, then press and hold the power button while you turn the car back on. If the radio still locks, locate the radio code sticker or your owner paperwork and enter the code when prompted. Stay calm and follow each step slowly to avoid extra lockouts. In this video, I will show how to reset Ford Focus radio. If the radio requests a code, start by finding the radio serial number in the menu or on the unit itself, then contact Ford or your dealer for the master code. Carefully enter the digits as provided, including any leading zeros, and avoid guessing more than 3 times. Once accepted, the radio will unlock and remember the code for future use. In this video, I will show how to reset Ford Focus radio. A safe method is to disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10 to 15 minutes to clear glitches, then reconnect and let your car systems reinitialize. After reconnecting, power on the radio and confirm the unit no longer shows error messages. You may need to re-enter the radio code and restore presets, but this often resolves software hiccups quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.